Every great business needs great talent, but finding the right professionals for your projects can be time-consuming and challenging. That's where Fiverr Pro comes in. Fiverr Pro is a curated platform that connects you with the top 1% of freelancers in the world. These are vetted experts in their fields, ready to bring your ideas to life with unmatched quality and professionalism. Whether you need stunning graphic design, professional video editing, a sleek website development, or expert marketing strategies, Fiverr Pro has the talent to make it happen. With Fiverr Pro, you're not just hiring a freelancer, you're partnering with a proven professional. Every pro seller is handpicked for their expertise, portfolio, and track record of delivering exceptional results. Need help with digital marketing? Fiverr Pro experts can create winning strategies to grow your brand, drive traffic, and boost conversions. From video production to copywriting and branding, Fiverr Pro ensures your projects are in the best hands. Quality, reliability, and creativity, all in one place. With Fiverr Pro, you can focus on growing your business while the experts handle the rest. It's fast, easy, and designed to deliver results you'll love. Ready to take your projects to the next level? Visit Fiverr Pro today and discover the difference that top-tier talent can make. Your success starts here. Behind every successful business is a team of talented professionals. At Fiverr Pro, we've helped countless clients achieve their goals by connecting them with the best freelancers in the world. Here are some of their stories.
When we were launching our brand, we needed a logo and website that stood out. Fiverr Pro connected us with an incredible designer who brought our vision to life. The result? A brand identity that truly represents who we are.
As a content creator, I needed high-quality video editing to keep my audience engaged. My Fiverr Pro editor not only delivered amazing work, but also helped me grow my channel faster than ever.
Our social media campaigns were falling flat until we hired a Fiverr Pro marketing expert. They revamped our strategy, and now we're seeing record-breaking engagement and sales.
Building a website from scratch felt overwhelming, but our Fiverr Pro developer made the process seamless. Now we have a professional, user-friendly site that drives traffic and conversions.
These are just a few examples of how Fiverr Pro is helping businesses and creators achieve their dreams. With top-tier talent and a commitment to excellence, Fiverr Pro is the partner you can trust. Your success story starts with Fiverr Pro. Click the link below today and find the expert who can turn your vision into reality. Ready to hire top-tier talent for your next project? Here's a quick step-by-step guide to getting started with Fiverr Pro. Step 1. Click the link given below and explore the wide range of services offered by Fiverr Pro freelancers. Step 2. Use the search bar to find the specific service you need. Step 3. Review the freelancer's profile, portfolio, and client reviews to ensure they're the right fit for your project. Step 4. Contact the freelancer to discuss your project details. Step 5. Once the work is delivered, review it and provide feedback. It's that easy. Start your journey with Fiverr Pro today and experience the difference that top-tier talent can make. Click the link below, subscribe or like our video,